The Supreme Court on Thursday permitted the Air Quality Management Commission to ease restrictions under GRAP 4 and implement GRAP 2 with additional measures, citing an improvement in Delhi's air quality index. A bench comprising Justice Abhay S and Justice Augustine Masih reviewed arguments by Additional Solicitor General Aishwarya Bhati, who noted that AQI levels had remained below 300 since November 13th. After consistently exceeding that threshold earlier, the court ordered that GRAP 2 be enforced for now with added restrictions, but directed a return to GRAP 3 if AQI exceeds 350 and GRAP 4 if it surpasses 400. The Additional Solicitor General highlighted that the AQI improvement was partly weather-driven and pointed out the disruptive impact of GRAP 4 on daily life. Senior advocate Aprajita Singh supported the relaxation but emphasized the importance of continuous monitoring. The court will revisit the Delhi NCR pollution case on Thursday, December 12th. The Supreme Court has overturned the Manipur High Court's October 2023 Suo Motu directions, which had instructed the CBI to produce Chang Sang, the absconding administrator of the Northeast Children's Home accused of raping minor girls, before the court within 3 months. The Chang Sang has been missing since 2018. The CBI had challenged the High Court's order from October 4, 2023 and January 1, 2024, which rejected its request to be implemented and granted an 8-week compliance period. In July 2024, the Supreme Court stated these directives. The CBI argued that it was not involved in the case before the High Court issued its directions. The Supreme Court agreed, noting the validity of the CBI's objections, particularly as the state government had already formed special teams to trace the accused. It further instructed the state government to seek assistance from the central government if necessary. Counsel for Manipur informed the court that extensive efforts were being made to locate the accused, which Justice Nagarthan acknowledged positively. The Karnataka High Court has issued notice to the state government and other respondents in response to a petition by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. In his petition, Siddaramaiah challenges a single judge's decision upholding Governor Thawarchand Gehlot's approval of an investigation into the alleged Mysore Urban Development Authority scam. Siddaramaiah contends that the single judge erred in the ruling and the Section 17A of the Prevention of Corruption Act was violated. He further argued that the complaint bypassed protocol by directly approaching the governor instead of initiating an investigation through a police officer, citing constitutional implications that could influence national politics. The state had also raised concern in the case. A bench comprising Chief Justice N.V. Anjaria and Justice K.V. Arvind has directed the respondent to file their replies by January 25, 2025. Additionally, the court has issued a notice regarding an appeal by Devraju, who opposes the transfer of the MUDA case to the CBI. The Delhi High Court has granted former MLA Kuldeep Singh Sengar a 2-week interim bail on health grounds in connection with the custodial death of the Unnao rape victim's father. Justice Pratibha Singh's bench has directed Sengar to be admitted to AIIMS on December 6 for treatment. The court also specified that Sengar must not contact the victim after leaving the hospital and instructed the CBI to monitor his movements. Sengar's lawyer had sought interim bail citing health issues, while the victim's lawyer opposed it, arguing that adequate medical care could be provided in jail. Sengar has challenged the trial court's verdict in the High Court. In 2019, the Tees Hazari court sentenced him to 10 years in prison and imposed a Rs 10 lakh fine for the murder of the rape victim's father. Additionally, he is serving a life sentence for the rape case. Supreme Court Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna administered the oath to Delhi High Court Chief Justice Manmohan as Supreme Court judge on Thursday. The swearing ceremony took place in Court Number 1 of the Chief Justice. With Justice Manmohan's induction, the Supreme Court now has a total of 33 judges. The Supreme Court Collegium had recommended his appointment on November 28th, and the President officially appointed him on December 3rd. Justice Manmohan was appointed as a judge of the Delhi High Court on March 13, 2008 and has been serving as its Chief Justice since September 29, 2024. At the same time, an important update related to the Supreme Court is that today the hearing on the Places of Worship Act could not be held because the bench headed by Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna has finished today's hearing and has left. Today, the hearing in the Mathura Shahi Masjid case was also to be held, but that hearing has also been postponed. Today, around 45 cases were listed for hearing before Chief Justice bench, but today only 18 cases could be heard. Watch our special programs and share the videos to stay updated with daily court proceedings.